we'll start the new topic with a reading session. Name of the topic is What Animals Eat. If you look around, you will see animals everywhere. Like us, animals too need food to live and get energy. ENERGY, energy. All animals eat food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Food of wild animals. Wild animals live in forest and take their food from the surrounding plants and animals. Carnivores. CARNIVORES. Carnivores, like lions and tigers, attack. ATTACK, attack animals in the forest and other wild areas and eat their flesh. FLESH, flesh. Herbivores. HERBIVORES, herbivores, like elephants and deer, eat leaves of trees. Omnivores. OMNIVORES, omnivores, like bears, eat honey from hives and fish from water. Vultures are scavengers. SCAVENGERS, scavengers, that eat the leftovers of dead animals. Closer to our houses, lizards. LIZARDS, lizards, catch insects on the walls. Birds sit on the trees and eat fruits and nuts they gather from their surroundings. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. Squirrels run helter skelter. HELTER, helter skelter. SKELTER, skelter. Helter skelter means here and there. So squirrels run helter skelter in search of food. Sometimes monkeys and birds like crows or pigeons come close to our homes and carry away food that is left outside.